Suhay. I'm practicing ophthalmologist from Pune. So today's topic that we will discuss is online education and kid science. I'm getting lot of questions, queries from the parents who are very much concerned about their child's eyes because of the online classes. The long hours of the online classes may give them dryness. Do my child need glasses? All these questions we need to answer today's topic. So let's start. So first thing is a posture. See to it that your child is sitting upright, erect, straight on the chair, is not drifting from towards the screen. Make him sit comfortably so that the desktop or the laptop will be at his eyes level or at the level of the eye line. It should not be too low, it should not be too high for him. If the child is small, give him some pillow so that his height will reach so that he can see the screen comfortably. Second point is the distance from the screen. Distance what we recommend is around 1.5 to 2 feet away from the screen so that he can comfortably look at the screen as well as the right and follow the instructions of what teacher is telling him. Third point is the size of the screen. So bigger the size, the better for the child. So always opt for the desktop or the laptop rather than going for the tab or the phone. For the phone, mobile, what we can do, we can connect the phone to the TV so that he will have a bigger screen so that he can look at the screen from the distance and he will not drift towards the screen. Fourth point is the brightness. The brightness will be of two types of a brightness. One is a brightness of the screen itself, which should not be kept too high, it should not be too bright. Make the brightness to the lowest minimum so that he can look at the screen clearly and he will not strain while looking at the screen. The second brightness is the brightness of the room itself. As we are not reading a book, we don't need a brightness where we need to switch on the lights of the surrounding. Don't make it brighter than your laptop or the desktop screen, so that he will be more comfortable and there will not be glare from the surrounding areas. So the fourth point we have discussed is the size of the screen. The fifth is the blinking. When child is staring at the screen, for him it is a new experience. So maybe out of a wow factor, he keep on staring at the screen and forget frequent blinking. So we suggest the parents to keep a watch on a child, remind him all the time to blink frequently so that he will not get a dryness while looking at the screen. So the ideal blink rate is around 15 to 20 blink per minute. See to it your child is blinking adequately. Seventh point is the breaks. So already our school is giving a lot of breaks or break in between each class. So utilize that break. Follow the 20-20-20 rule for your child. What we follow is every 20 minutes, see any object which is 20 feet and away from the eye and for at least 20 seconds and more. So make him look outside the window at least for a minute. That will relieve his eye strain and he will get a good break also. Eighth point is glasses. Parents do ask me whether my child need extra glasses while using a screen. No, if your child is already not using any glasses, there is no need of any extra glasses for him. Yes, but if a child already using a glasses, I would suggest do a fresh checkup, get new glasses done. Anti-reflective coating is a good option when he is using a glasses that he can use regularly. But no need of extra glasses if a child is below 12 years of age. Ninth point, eye drops. Do my child need eye drops for his dryness? I would not suggest any eye drops for the dryness for the children to be put unnecessary. 10th point is a diet, sleep and exercise. These are very underestimated topics, but yes, sleep of 8 to 10 hours is very important For children, this should be at a straight 8 to 10 hours sleep. Other is the diet. We know green leafy vegetables, red orange fruits, they are very good and rich source of antioxidant as well as vitamin A. So that should be there in their diet. Exercise. Because of the lockdown period, children have a very restricted activity. See to it that we are encouraging him to do any exercise of their choice. So I hope all these 9 and 10 points we have taken care of, and this will help to relieve the eye strain as well as the stress related to the online classes. Thank you. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you.